Guys, right behind me, we got new wheels for my 2023 Silverado. These are the wheels I decided to go with. Goodyear Wrangler Duratrax. The size here, 275, 65 R18. Good fit for the truck as far as stock fit. And then the rims are 18-inch rims off of a Trail Boss. They're the stock Chevy rims. I really like the look of them. They're not perfect. The guy who I bought them off of, super nice guy. Thanks so much to Mateo. He did wheel them, so there is some scuffs on them, as you can see. They're not perfect, but you can't really tell. There's one rim, this one here, that is literally perfect. And then the other ones kind of have some like light paint scuffs, not curb rash, nothing like that. There's no curb rash or anything. There's no chunks. It's all just like paint. Before we do anything with those, let's just take another look at the rig here. Don't get me wrong, this truck looks amazing, but I think with these wheels, it's gonna make it another level of amazing. So these are 255 70 R17s. It's gonna be a tighter fit. We should be okay though. These rims are brand new. Like my truck has 1100 on it, so brand new rims. But what I like here is I can just take off these wheels, put a new set on. I don't have to do anything with the tires. Those wheels have the sensors. They're all cleaned up and they look unreal. Even with a little clean, they just look way better. These are just water cleaned. I haven't soaped them yet, and I haven't used any tire like cleaner because I'm going down to the farm later, driving this on the dirt. So then I'll come up and do a full wash. It's literally, this one's like no scuffs at all, just mint. And the rest are really good. They came out perfect for what I paid. I paid $1,000 for these, which is a pretty good deal. The guy had them listed at $1,600 with the rims scuffed. I was like, I gotta come down with that, but $1,000. These tires are chonkers, man. Like those are almost 100% tread, I'd say. There's only 15K on them. Got the Silverado in the garage. Now, one thing to note is because these are Silverado new, so they're like, these are off of 2019, I believe, 2020. So they have the sensors in them, and so it'll still show me the tire pressures. I'm not sure how it'll calibrate, but they do have the sensors in them, which is huge. Oh my gosh. Stop the madness right now. Holy smokes. You guys seeing that right now? Tell me you're seeing the same thing here. Disgusting. Absolutely filthy. Looks so good. Right now it's hard to tell. The truck's like dark gray, borderline purple, but these wheels are way better. Let's check for any fitment issues, which I don't think we should have because they're from the same truck, just the Trail Boss. I am honestly like ecstatic right now. I just can't believe it. It looks unreal. It looks better than I thought it was going to. Again, looks amazing, guys. Now we'll do a little comparison here. Tiny bit taller, definitely wider. And these are all terrains. I don't know what these are actually. These are just like standard, maybe all season. They're great. They drove awesome. Got the front rims on. They look tremendous. We shouldn't have any rubbing issues. It's all clear. Find some black caps and put them on here. The sensors, I'm not sure how that's gonna work, but we'll see. Good fitment, good enough. Let's go take a look at how this looks out in the sun. I am so happy with how these wheels turned out. They look freaking unreal. Look at this thing. It looks so much freaking better, guys. Holy smokes. This is like the truck I envisioned when like I wanted a new truck. This is what I wanted it to look like. So now that it has these rims, it's like exactly what that little thing it's been missing. Like, don't get me wrong, I loved it, but now I love it even more because it's got those rims and those tires. That's just so me. Like, all my builds are off-road. When it has no aggressive tires, it just looks a little off for my liking. So we definitely fixed that. Ran into an issue here with the sensors. I have to get like a relearning tool for 20 bucks off Amazon, or I can go back to the dealership and they can do that relearning thing for me. Yeah, other than that, it doesn't really mean anything. Just check your tire pressures manually, but I'm gonna get that fixed ASAP. But guys, just take a look at this one more time. Just take a look at it one more time with me. Lord have mercy on this. Oh my gosh. All right, guys, that is gonna do it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like. If you like the build, stay tuned because there's always more. You know, there's always more to these builds. Just leave a comment. Let me know how you like those rims. I think they turned out absolutely amazing. Better than I thought. Even with the scuffs on them, they look amazing. So thank you guys, and we'll see you in the next video. Peace.